of 2020. I've struggled with stomach issues since 2017. It started very suddenly, and I went to my primary doctor who referred me to a general surgeon. The surgeon did a couple tests and decided to remove my gallbladder, thinking that would solve my issues, but it didn't. So they then referred me to a GI doctor who diagnosed me with gastroparesis and just said that there was nothing to be done about it. In December, the pain escalated quite a bit and became unbearable. I went to the ER multiple times and they couldn't do anything. They couldn't figure anything out. My GI basically said there wasn't anything more they could do for me. When I begged for help, I unfortunately had reached my breaking point and was just ready to give up. I couldn't take care of my house or my family. I could just kind of lay there in bed and be miserable while their lives kept going. I happened to stumble across Brittany's page on Instagram and was immediately curious. She reached out to me and we set up a call for the next day. She was so kind and compassionate and understanding when I told her my story, as I'm, breaking down in tears, of course. She understood what I've been going through because she's been there, and the fact that she was able to fix her issues after being told that our issues aren't fixable really intrigued me, and it gave me a little bit of hope that I wouldn't be stuck like that forever. She worked with me on healing my body and understanding my body, and it really made a huge difference. I was still having flare-ups more often than I should, so she put me in touch with Dr. Farkas, and we three worked together, and I did a GI mapping test, which turned out to be the one test I needed in the whole 4 years. And he determined that I had SIBO, so he put me on a couple of supplements for the last 2 months, and I am 1 week away from being done, and I can say that I completely feel like a totally different person, and I can do basic chores and take care of my family, my husband, my 9-year-old son, and I can just be who I was before, and my life doesn't revolve around it. And so for that, alone, to give me my life back, I owe Brittany everything, and I will never be able to thank her enough for everything she's given me and done for me. The same with Dr. Farkas. So thank you both. Thank you, Brittany. I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much.